Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you the affiliate web form. The affiliate web form allows you to add an affiliate web form or affiliate lead form in your website so that as you sit back and relax at home, you can gather new affiliates and partners that could give you leads and referrals. To set up your affiliate web form, click on Affiliates and Leads and go to Affiliate Web Form. From here, you'll be able to see different training videos as well at the top to know more about how you can navigate through the screen if in any case you get lost into navigation. Now you can feel free to customize your own lead form as you wish to. You can also hire an expert or a professional or a webmaster to do it for you. You can get that webmaster an employee access wherein there would be just limited access, so specifically the access to the website affiliate lead form, so that your webmaster can go in and design the website lead form for you or the affiliate lead form for you, or you can also do so. Now, to modify your lead form, all you have to do first is to add in your custom title. So for example, let me add one. And it's totally up to you which ones would you be requiring. So by default, first name and the email ID is automatically required. As of course, you'll be needing their email ID so that any new affiliates, you could provide them with access to the affiliate portal. And by default as well, all the other checkboxes or text boxes are unrequired option. Now you have the capability to move it to hide so that it would not be included in your lead form. For example, the last name, if you don't want to collect last name, you could just simply hide it. Like the company name, you could hide it. It's totally up to you how you want your lead form to look like. But if you want to keep it as it is required, then keep them checked from here. You can collate their name, company name, address, their phone number, their email ID, promotional methods, and comment box as well. Next is you could design your lead form depending on its size, its width, its height. It's totally up to you. You can design its header font size, form height, width, bottom width, text box width, height of the text box, spaces between text boxes can also be modified, background color, header color, the font color as well. And if you want to add a box border, it's totally up to you. Now, once you're done making your changes and checking into your design, you can always save it after you're good with your design and preview so that you could check it first before you move it to your website. Now, you also have the capability to add in a redirect URL for your lead form. So whenever an affiliate signs up through your affiliate lead form, after they click on submit, they get redirected to a specific page that you would want them to be in. Just simply add the URL or link right here. So I already added a couple of designs to my lead form. Let me click on save to save whatever changes or designs I made, and then I can always click on preview to preview the form. Once I do so, you'll have the preview right here. And you can always reset it back to default if you want to start off from scratch, or you can always re-edit any of the changes you made. Now, once you're good with your design, you can now copy the HTML code and place it at the back end of your website. All you have to do is simply click on copy, go to the back end of your website, locate the page that you would want to add it in, place the code in, and click on publish. Again, you have the option to have a webmaster hired in order for a webmaster to do this for you. They are an expert, or they are the ones who's expert and professional in doing so. But if you can do it, it's really easy. You could simply follow the same instructions. Once you're done adding the code, you're ready to view it, click on view page, and you'll be able to see your lead form in your website. Now let's test it out. For example, I'm an affiliate trying to go through a website or your website, the admin's website, and I want to add myself in, or I want to become an affiliate of this admin. So once an affiliate signs up through the lead form, there is a validation for the email. So you have to make sure that the affiliate has to make sure that they input a good working email, because if it's not a good working email, it would not be accepted by the lead form. This would allow you to make sure that you have the right information that you need in order to send them the details of affiliate portal login. Once they click on submit, again, if you have a redirect URL link, they could be redirected to that link. If you don't have any, then it would just simply submit the information. Once the information has been successfully submitted, you as the admin would be receiving an email notifying you that a new affiliate lead signs up. Also, when you log into the software, you will be receiving a notification at the top for the web lead affiliate referrals. Once you click on it, you would be routed to the pending affiliate lead, in which you could now make changes by clicking on edit and moving this specific lead to an active status to provide an access to the affiliate tracking portal. You can also modify their information details, and you could provide them additional access, for example, access to the client tracking portal, turning on CC emails, and you could watch this training videos right here to know more about how you could modify and access these additional features. Once you're done, just click on save, and that would move this specific affiliate to become an active affiliate, in which they would be receiving an email allowing them to create an account to the affiliate tracking portal and send the referrals through the affiliate tracking portal. So that would complete our quick training tutorial about the affiliate web form.